How to prevent someone to take screenshot on WhatsApp. So if you want to prevent someone to take a screenshot on your WhatsApp, then let's get started. Now open up your WhatsApp, go with an account, go with the attachments and then select the gallery option. From here, I'll just simply go and select an image. Now on the bottom, as you can see, that you will have an option of view once. You need to make sure that you've allowed view once. Tap on the one half circle and then tap on OK. View once message have just got more private. After that, your recipient can't take a screenshot of it. That means once you send the image, the other person won't be able to take a screenshot. Or even if it attempts to take a screenshot, then it will notify you. So just simply go with send. And that's it. If the other person takes a screenshot, then WhatsApp will notify you that this person has taken a screenshot or attempted to take a screenshot. But he won't be able to take it because of the privacy reasons. It will be a blank screen. That's how you can prevent someone to take a screenshot on WhatsApp. And if you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching.